Do you know how blue plates and nuts can help you lose weight fast, naturally? To know, watch the video till the end. Here are the top 5 simple habits to lose weight naturally. Number 5. Buy some blue plates. Studies have found that blue color is an appetite suppressant. It means that it decreases the urge to eat more than your body needs. So start using blue napkins, blue paper cloths and blue plates to avoid overeating. Number 4. Eat slowly. In this world of hurry and worry, we have developed a habit of eat fast. Actually, this habit slows down the weight loss process. Eating at a faster rate decreases the feeling of satisfaction and leads to overeating. Number 3. Avoid eating in front of TV and computer. According to American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, food ads increase our appetite and make us overeat. Moreover, eating in front of TV or computer leads to lack of awareness. So by the time the brain recognizes that our stomach is full, you have already eaten much more than your body needs. So prohibit watching TV or using computer during meals. Number 2. Eat more yogurt and nuts. According to the research conducted by Harvard School of Public Health, nuts and yogurt are extremely effective to lose weight in the long run. Research claimed that people who eat nuts daily are 25% less likely to be obese. You might be thinking, nuts are full of fat and calories, but that's not 100% correct. Not all kinds of nuts are full of fat and calories. Instead, nuts are rich in plant protein, dietary fiber and healthy mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids. So nuts prevents you from overeating. Number 1. Exercise daily. A healthy diet plan does help you lose weight, but it is important to include good nutrition with some physical exercise. It is obvious you knew this before. But did you know that exercising for just 30 minutes each day will help you lose 25% more weight? Thanks for watching till the end. Please consider subscribing Healthosaurus.